Hello, my name is Aura Lessenjack and I am a self-taught artist specializing in watercolor. I have been painting for over 20 years and selling my prints and originals for over a decade. I've always loved drawing and painting animals, and even when I've experimented and did other media and other subjects, I always keep coming back to animals. My style of watercolor painting, whether I'm painting realistic or imaginative flowers, animals, or figures, they almost always include bold use of color, a lot of contrast, and usually a lot of transparent glazing to build up deep, rich, bold colors. In this course, I will show you how to paint a fluffy duckling in watercolors using a limited palette. This is the first course in a series I'm calling Painting Nature's Textures in Watercolor. At the time of this filming, I'm working on 2 other courses for Skillshare. One of them will show you how to achieve the rough speckled texture of stones, and the other will show you how to create shiny red currants. In this duckling watercolor lesson, I will show you how to achieve hard and soft edges to create the texture of both the defined and the soft downy feathers. You will also learn how to paint both the wet on dry and the wet in wet method of watercolor painting. In this course, I'm including the link to the copyright-free photo, the outline that you can download and trace, as well as a recommended supplies list. For your class project, you can either follow along with this duckling, or you can create your own bird or fluffy animal of your choosing. My aim for you in this class is to learn how to paint fluffy feathers with more confidence. I'm really looking forward to seeing your finished projects. So let's get started with the duckling painting.